Hi, welcome. Today I'm going to be making banana bread muffins. So here's the recipe that I will be using today. And then here are the instructions on the back. This is just my little recipe card that I keep in my little recipe box. Today we'll start with 1/3 cup melted butter and 3/4 cup sugar and just regular sugar. You want to blend those together till they are nice and creamy, just like you see here. Now we're going to take 1 egg, crack that in, and continue to blend. Now you'll notice that it starts very bright. I had almost like an orange yolk, and you'll want to blend till it becomes very pale. It'll be almost like a very light yellow or off-white cream color almost, and it will also gain a lot of volume. You want it to really fluff up so that your muffins will be nice and fluffy. The fluffier the batter, the fluffier the muffins. And now it's time to add the bananas. So I said 3 to 5. It's not really an exact measurement here. This is kind of one of those recipes that's meant to use up rotting ingredients so they don't go to waste. And it's also bananas are different sizes. So kind of use whatever you have. But if you're really concerned about it, I'd say if they're big bananas, lean towards 3. If they're small bananas, lean towards 5. But again, just work with what you have. And yeah, once those are nicely evenly combined, we are ready for the dry ingredients. So the dry ingredients are a combination of 1½ cup flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and a ½ teaspoon salt. So what you're going to want to do is mix that all together in a separate bowl and then gradually add that to your wet mixture. But what I did, ignore what I'm doing here because I just used like half measurements and did waves of those. It's very complicated and very unnecessary. So ignore what I'm doing and listen to what I'm saying and combine your dry ingredients first and then just gradually add them so it doesn't, you don't want flour flying everywhere. And eventually it's nice and evenly combined like so, a normal sloppy batter consistency. And yeah, now it's ready for the muffin tin. It makes 12 muffins, so you can either use a greased muffin tin or use the little paper cups like I did. And then just the best you can, just scoop them evenly into the little cups. Now they're ready for the sugar topping. We'll need a tablespoon softened butter, 1/3 cup brown sugar, 2 tablespoons flour, and then some cinnamon. Just measure that with your heart. I'd say no more than like a teaspoon maybe, but again, it's whatever you like. Then yeah, just combine that with your fingers or a fork or whatever until it's a nice even consistency. And then we'll put that right on top of our banana bread and muffin batter. So again, these have not gone into the oven yet. This is just the raw batter. And you'll take that mixture and spread it as evenly as possible all over the muffins. And you don't have to smooth them out like I did. I like a nice even texture, but some people like to keep it chunky. So you get like, big bites of sugar mixed with exposed muffin. And yeah, once you have it how you like it, throw that in the oven at 350 for 20 minutes. Ta-da! It's good. All right, show's over. Hope you have fun. Love you. Bye.